Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video, through this video, we will learn how to stop the spread of COVID-19. How to stop the spread of COVID-19. Is it our duty to stop the spread of COVID-19? Yes, it is there in each and every individual. Before going to that, first we will learn what is the basic structure of COVID-19. Here you are observe the COVID-19 have the spike protein. Actually, with the help of this spike protein, the COVID-19 is sticking towards our hands, and with the help of this spike protein only, the coronavirus is spreading from one person to other person. Along with that, it is enclosed with envelope protein, membrane protein, and it have a RNA inside the coronavirus, and it have a lipid membrane. And what are the basic precautions that we have to take in order to stop spread of this COVID-19? These are the basic precautions. Those are: first main thing, clean your hands often. Cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. These are main basic precautions that need to follow in order to stop spread of COVID-19. So here we will learn why to wash our hands with soap. Here are the few basic steps how to wash your hands. First, wet your hands under water. Add soap to your hand. Scrub it very well. And after scrubbing, after 20 minutes, rinse it under the water and dry your hands with the help of a dry cloth or dry wipes. But why? Why we need to wash our hands? But why? Because the soaps as well as the liquid soaps or sanitizers, whatever it may be, in general it helps to get rid of the COVID-19 that placed over our hands. First we will learn actually what is about this COVID-19. This virus is SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes novel coronavirus COVID-19. The single cell with diameter 120 nanometers, which magnifies 12 million times under microscope. Means if you want to see this coronavirus under microscope, 12 million times it enlarges. The cell has several parts that already I have discussed with you, with the outer layer covering with spikes. The Latin name of corona is crown. The word COVID, which means coronavirus disease of 2019. And after the spikes, the next layer is a fatty layer of the virus is demolished by washing with soap. Just like suppose if you add or pour oil into water, what happens? This separates like two different layers. Oil spreads over water. But if you add soap to this mixture of oil and water, this oil completely dissolves in water. Why? Why? Because here you observe this is a structure of a soap molecule. The soap molecule have one head and a tail. The head is spherical in shape. The spherical shaped head is known as hydrophilic end. This hydrophilic end loves water, which wants to be towards water and attracts to the water molecule. Next come to the tail. This tail is hydrophobic end. Why we are calling hydrophobic? It don't want to be with the water. It want to be with the fatty oils or the dirt molecules. This is a typical structure of a soap molecule. As soon as after adding soap into the water, these soap molecules will get formed, and wherever the fatty layers are there and wherever the oil and dirt particles are there on your hand, it surrounded the oil particle or the fatty layer of coronavirus, and these all tails move towards the fatty layer of the COVID particle, and these hydrophilic ends are in contact with the water. Like that, the soap molecules forms a circular structure as a circular structure. This circular structure is known as micelle. Like that, micelles will get formed as soon as adding soap into water. Now, after formation of micelle, the tails will get penetrate into the fatty layer of this coronavirus, and it tears the fatty layers and it detaches the fatty layers of the coronavirus, and which protects the RNA which is enclosed inside the coronavirus. Like that, the soap molecules help to demolish the coronavirus. And afterwards, if you after scrubbing, if you wash your hands with water, this harmless virus just get rid of under the water. And you have to wash your hands minimum 20 seconds. Why to wash your hands 20 to 24 seconds? Because as soon as adding soap to your hands, rubbing the soap, and the formation of soap molecules and the formation of micelles, it takes a certain and little time. So in order that we have to wash our hands and rub our hands with the soap 20 to 24 seconds. And here is a typical structure of coronavirus after washing with the soap or while washing. What happens to the coronavirus? It breaks down the fragile envelope viral particle are washed away by water. Again, I am repeating the basic steps and how to wash your hands. First one, wet your hands under water, add soap to water, scrub thoroughly your hands, front, back, between fingers and under your nails thoroughly, 20 to 24 seconds. Then rinse under the water. After rinsing completely under the water, dry your hands with a dry cloth or dry wipes. So these are the basic precautionary measures that we need to follow in order to stop spread of COVID-19. Once again, wash your hands. Second one, avoid touching your face with your hands. Practice physical distance. In order to follow these all the rules, the best thing is stay at home and stay safe. And I hope you understood the topic. Thank you for watching. Following assignments will be given, complete assignments. Thank you and have a nice day.